Yeah, yeah. I've been trying to get with Reagan for a while, and then she did email me back, and it went to my spam folder, and I was cursing her name, talking about yeah. I was like, dang.
Her name, not Terry.
I never knew any of the names, but she sent me an email. It probably is a T.
You don't know her name? It ain't Terry. It's I forgot her name.
It's something, but no, you make good money at that DCA. You know what I mean? You just pretty much just doing chair massage. I mean, they got a full spa.
Like places like at the airport, like I'm thinking like some people don't be getting it as much.
Oh no,
like you know,
they
like
do.
They do.
They do. Hell yeah. No, I worked at the Dallas one, but that was for Be Relaxed. And yeah, you're always busy, always, pretty much. But it's a lot of busy work to where like, okay, wait a minute, I'm doing chair massage, I'm on my feet for 8 hours. Sometimes you can't just take a break when you want. You know what I mean? It's like you're owned by the airport.
Yeah.
So that's the only downside. Right. I'm like, I need to pee. I can't sit here. But see, that's the downside.
This the membership table?
Yeah.
See, the AMTA table is right over at the front.
On the other side.
Okay.
That would be like for liability. We have optional insurance. Disability, cancer care.
Okay.
Appreciate that.
Alright, so we'll check out the front and see if we can sign up there.
Yeah,
Okay.
Like it's my
Thank
joint,
you.
man. You
Yeah.
pay too much. No, I don't even use like not even that often.
Good for you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Where's your work on your next
I've always heard about it, but I've never seen it.
Yeah, it feels good. It's just the setup is so damn expensive.
There you go.
Oh no, you got a
But
plate.
they're not calling
You got a plate? Where do you get the plate from?
Oh,
Oh, they
yeah.
selling it for 12, but honey, it's worth it.
Is it?
Oh, yeah, you got chicken and
I bought a bagel and a cup of tea.
Upstairs.
like
Yo, I get to the
$35.
register, it was 12, 10, 11, 10 and some change. Wait a minute.
yeah, they
I
get you.
got that because I was in a hurry. And I got up at 7:15 and I had to get to class at 8.
Okay.
But what pissed me off was the fact that I had to put cream and butter on my plate
Oh no.
Okay.
for $10. It should be made, cut, heated, and I was burnt.
Man, that's crazy. That's crazy. Okay. Oh yeah. The little machine works you out. Yeah, it's good stuff. So if I could have been here one day, man. It's just expensive, man. $2,000, $3,000.
They got like the big shit.
Exactly right. So you gotta have them right. So they probably spending. Whew.
Yeah, they got all that.
Yeah, right. Yeah, they spend money, but they get the you get the business stuff. You know what I mean?
You guys are working out.
So it works out.